there, it's Camille. Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing a collaboration with YesStyle. They've sent me a box for their festive looks campaign. A few days ago, I posted on my Instagram asking which of the tops I should use, which makeup, which lipstick, and other stuff. So this top that I'm wearing is what majority of the people chose. But aside from the top that I'm wearing, they also sent me this sweater. Very chunky, oversized sweater. I like how it's colorful. I don't have anything like this in my closet yet. I'm excited to also wear this one day, especially like in the rainy season with a skirt and some boots. Also sent me this rust-colored long sleeves. It has a ribbed pattern and the neckline, it can either be like Sabrina or off-shoulder. But today I'm wearing this black mesh top. It's also long sleeve. I just wore this black tank top underneath and the neckline is high. I think it's supposed to look like that, and then like, you know, scrunch it up. So yeah, they also sent me 3 eye products. So the first palette is this. It's from HOLIKA. The name of this palette is Terrazzo, and it just looks like this. And then inside you can see that there are 6 shades and they're all so pretty and neutral and easy to use. And then other eye product that they gave me is this. It's from the brand Peach Sea, and I love this. It's shadow glitter. It's so pretty. It's so shiny. The one that majority chose for me to use is this palette. It's also from HOLIKA. Their Nudrop eyeshadow palette. It has 4, oops, I scratched it. It has 4 different colors and very neutral as well. So this is what I'm gonna be using today. I'm not an expert when it comes to shadows. I only use 2 makeup brushes and then my finger. For the base, I usually just use my finger. So I'm gonna use this color for my base. And then with this kind of big brush, I'm gonna use the brown one for my crease. So I just put like a light color for the base and then a darker color for my crease. Other side. Blend it a bit. And then with this semi-pointed brush, I'm gonna take this color and put it under. And then for this one, I'm gonna use my finger. And then I'm gonna just tap it on my lid. I'm gonna finish everything off with eyeliner and mascara. So for eyeliner, I'm using K Palette, and mascara, I'm using Maybelline. Then mascara. So done with the eye makeup. Next we go to lips. So they gave me 2 lip products. The first one is from the brand Black Rouge. It's in the color A12, reddish color. But then the one that majority chose is this lipstick from HOLIKA. It's the Pearly Flash. It's in the color Crushed Canna. So this is what I'm gonna be using today. Even though I'm gonna be wearing a mask the whole day, it's fine. We're doing this for ourselves. Okay. I also asked which accessory to wear because they gave me this headband. And they also gave me these faux heart pearl earrings. This one also is a faux pearl headband, but it's so nice. The quality is really good. Even the end of the headband is a pearl. But majority chose this, so this is what I'm gonna be wearing today. Ta-da! Aside from the makeup products that they gave me, they also gave skincare. So this morning I tried the Pyunkang mini set 3 pieces. It has the low pH pore deep cleansing foam, and for a set this is a lot, and I really like the cleanser. It's very foamy. It also doesn't smell like anything, so if you prefer skincare products that are unscented. It also came with this toner. It's the Essence toner. It dries really fast also. It's very fast absorbing. And then the last thing in the set is this moisturizer. It's called their nutrition cream. It's 20 ml. 20 ml. This one is 40 ml. And then the toner is 30 ml. Not bad for a 3-piece set. This moisturizer I'm gonna be using tonight. It's from Make Prem. It's a relief moisture cream. You open it, it looks like this. It's also unscented, so that's a perk if you like unscented products. I also asked which one I should use, but majority chose this one. It's the Skin House EGF Collagen Ampule Anti-Wrinkle Functional Cosmetics. So this one is from the brand Bano Baji. It's the Milk Thistle Repair Serum, and I had no idea there was Milk Thistle Serum. Packaging is honestly so pretty. It's like in the purple glass. The last thing from the package is this bag, and it's a black shoulder bag. I like how the strap is adjustable, but I actually prefer this length. So I'm gonna be using this today. I'll be transferring some of my stuff and my other bag into this bag. So let's do that. So let's transfer my stuff. An extra mask. A ball pen. Of course, alcohol. My power bank. Oil control sheets. My wallet and my keys. And the lipstick that I used today to retouch. And there's like a small compartment here, so that's where I'm gonna be putting it. And yeah, so my phone is usually in my pocket. Yay! Mask I'm wearing today is this one. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me video. Please like and subscribe if you aren't yet. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!